Every time we eat, breathe, or simply exist, our bloodstream is flooded with a volatile mix of raw energy, dietary fats, and environmental toxins. At a microscopic level, the human body's default state is a relentless metabolic storm. Left to circulate unchecked, these variables would inevitably overwhelm our delicate cellular structures, leading to a steady, irreversible systemic collapse. To survive this environment, the body requires a powerful central authority capable of imposing order on the chaos. That administrative burden falls entirely on the human liver. It stands between the chaotic outside world and our internal organs, acting as a biological clearinghouse that continuously sorts, filters, and manages the conflicting demands of our daily survival. This anatomical illustration shows where this central administrator is stationed. Tucked in the upper right abdomen below the diaphragm, it weighs 1.2 to 1.5 kilograms, the body's largest internal organ and gland. It simultaneously executes over 500 biological functions to keep us operational. Its size and armored placement behind the ribcage are direct requirements for maintaining that unceasing, high-stakes workload. One of its primary directives is acting as the body's chief resource manager, maintaining control over our complex internal energy economy. As detailed on this functional diagram, the liver manufactures bile, a biological detergent breaking down complex dietary fats for absorption. It also regulates fuel supply. When blood sugar spikes, the liver chemically converts volatile glucose into stable, storable glycogen. When we enter a period of starvation or push through intense physical exertion, the liver breaks that stable glycogen back apart, releasing a precise stream of glucose directly into the bloodstream. By constantly banking excess fuel and issuing strategic chemical withdrawals, it acts as the ultimate economic stabilizer, smoothing out the metabolic spikes and crashes of our daily caloric intake. Beyond managing calories, this organ carries two other critical mandates: synthesizing physical building blocks and executing chemical warfare. Looking at the synthesis pathways mapped here, the liver manufactures structural proteins, producing specific blood clotting factors that seal wounds. It also defends the body. The liver actively filters incoming blood, neutralizing threats like alcohol, drugs, and environmental toxins. Concurrently with this detoxification, it constructs and deploys specialized immune defenses, sending them into the bloodstream to proactively hunt down foreign biological invaders. It fights a relentless two-front war, continuously constructing the physical body while simultaneously absorbing the brunt of its internal and external poisons. Slowing slightly for emphasis. Processing high concentrations of lethal toxins every minute presents a biological paradox. An organ taking that much chemical damage should theoretically destroy itself. But as highlighted in the infographic Special Fact Corner, the liver possesses a unique biological superpower: profound regeneration. It is the only internal human organ that can bounce back from severe physical damage. Even if a significant portion is removed or destroyed, the remaining healthy tissue can rapidly regrow, restoring the organ to full operational capacity. Hepatology, the formal study of the liver, examines the biological mechanisms behind this resilience, tracking how it maintains operational integrity under relentless toxic loads. Without fanfare, the human liver operates in the background to ensure the human empire thrives. It is a highly disciplined administrator that constantly sacrifices its own cells to process our toxins, only to continuously rebuild itself for the next day's work.